Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we decode your car problems so you don't have to. If your scanner pulled up code P0067, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this code means, why it happens, and how to fix it. P0067 is a generic powertrain code that means there's a high voltage condition in the air-assisted injector control circuit. In simple terms, it's an electrical issue related to how your engine manages fuel injection with added air to help combustion, especially during cold starts. Common causes of P0067. Number 1. Faulty air assist injector solenoid. The solenoid may be internally shorted, stuck open, or otherwise failed, causing abnormal voltage readings. Test the solenoid with a multimeter, check resistance, replace if it's out of spec or damaged. Number 2. Short circuit or damaged wiring. Wires may be frayed, pinched, melted, or shorted to power ground, especially in high heat areas. Inspect the wiring harness for physical damage. Repair or replace faulty wiring. Number 3. Corroded or loose electrical connectors. Moisture or road debris can corrode connectors, increasing resistance or shorting the circuit. Clean connectors with electrical contact cleaner, apply dielectric grease, and ensure all connections are secure. Number 4. Failed ECM, engine control module. Though rare, a failing ECM can send incorrect voltages or fail to read the circuit properly. Rule out all other causes first. If everything else checks out, consult a professional for ECM testing or replacement. Number 5. Electrical overload or poor ground connection. Inadequate grounding or a sudden power surge can cause voltage irregularities. Inspect and clean engine and chassis grounds. Check for loose or rusty ground straps. Diagnostic trouble code P0067 points to an issue in the air assist injector solenoid control circuit, typically caused by electrical faults such as short circuits, damaged wiring, or a failed solenoid. While it may not immediately lead to severe drivability problems, ignoring it can result in poor performance, increased emissions, and long-term engine issues. Prompt inspection, accurate diagnosis, and proper repair, focusing on the solenoid, wiring, connectors, and ECM, are essential to restoring optimal engine function and fuel efficiency. Always clear the code and verify the repair with a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.